Week 3, Day 2. The handcuff is quicker than the eye. Slippery Eddie, the infamous pickpocket. Infamous means famous for the wrong reasons. Famous because you've done something bad. A pickpocket is a person who steals wallets, jewelry, watches from another person in a crowd. Slippery Eddie, the infamous pickpocket, was back at work, and every detective, policeman, had to be especially vigilant. Vigilant means watchful. Eddie's technique was to jostle a victim. Jostle means to bump into a victim toward a confederate. Confederate is a partner, who would then slip the man's wallet out of his back pocket while Eddie was stammering an apology to the confused dupe. So stammering an apology would be, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bump you. That's stammering. An apology to the confused dupe. Dupe is victim. Within a week, the incipient crime wave, incipient means building or beginning. It hadn't reached its full, it was still on the increase, so it's incipient crime wave, came to an end when Slippery Eddie inadvertently, that means accidentally, unknowingly, chose the chief of police for his victim. Although Eddie loathes Sing Sing, loathes means hates, despises. Sing Sing is the name of a prison. It's his permanent address now. The end.